Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out the top Tubayo listings. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification below. Without further ado, let's check them out. The first house we are going to check out is a very nice 2-bedroom house found here in Minister's Village, just on the edge of Tinda and Nalia. So come with me as I show you around. In our first home, the sitting room is warm and welcoming. It's cozy and very simple. One of the things that will catch your attention is this rugged wooden centerpiece table, seated on this rug, which is hard to miss. I like the use of space, and I like how the compass set, giving you more wiggle room to enjoy your space. Moving to the kitchen. The kitchen is simple, neatly organized, and has been organized to simplify your cooking needs. One of the things I like about the kitchen, all the essential items have been organized and tucked away in the counters, only to be accessed when the occasion arrives. And of course, this wouldn't be a complete kitchen without a fridge to keep your favorite drinks. The guest bedroom is quite simple. It's very simplified and there's nothing going on other than the 4x6 bed. On the right is a closet where you can store your clothes, your shoes, and anything of the likes. If I forget, this house has 2 bathrooms and this is just one of them. As we move through the corridor, being the master bedroom, the bed is quite solid. One of the things I appreciate about the master bedroom is the simplicity in design. It's not too much, but it's not too simple either. As you enter the bedroom, one of the things you will see is this large dressing mirror with a drawer. They always come in handy, keep your valuables. Moving to the bathroom is a whole new experience altogether. Everything in this bathroom was designed to give you the best experience possible. This bedroom has a whole walk-in closet. This is the closet. You can put all your clothes in here. As you go through the doors, you'll get a whole different rooftop experience. Imagine hanging here with your buddies while sipping on your favorite drinks as you enjoy the view. So right now we are going to the single bedroom house, which is just downstairs. If you thought the previous house was cool, think again. This house is as cool as it gets. This is amazing, guys. The first thing you'll see as you enter the sitting room is this well-polished wooden style dining set. It's truly a masterpiece to see and also to touch. On the left is the kitchen, and just like the house before, I like the playful use of artsy objects. They add character and charm to the place. Right through the kitchen is the door to the second bedroom, and honestly, I was quite surprised by the size. The bed is very cozy and enough for 2 people. The bathroom is very spacious and shares the same sink as before. What makes this bedroom unique is the fact that you can exit through this door without having to go through the kitchen or the living room. And lastly, for the closet, They installed these strange boxes where you can keep both your shoes and clothes. The master bedroom is truly mind-blowing. It's also the biggest highlight of the entire house for me. Wow, this bedroom is just amazing. Look at this. This bedroom is just the perfect touch. It's so simple but yet sophisticated. This is not your ordinary bathroom. It gives you a grand feeling. The closet was merged to the bathroom, which affords you more room in the bedroom. This is the best listing I've seen so far, and it comes in at $80 a night. So what do you think, guys? Is it worth it? Would you like to stay here? Please comment down below.
My name is Ganzi and I'm a host on Tubayo. Right now, as you can see, we are around Doka Cave, which is located around Ministers Village, Circular Drive, Valley Drive Road. For any information, please check out the website on this accommodation that you're seeing around here. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Shout out to Team Tubayo for having me on their platform. Have a blessed week.
So guys, that was our first two listings, and like I said, they are both at $80. So right now we are going to Chambogo to check out our second listing. So comment down below what you think about that listing. Here in Chambogo, this is called the Muzuri building. Right off the bat, it doesn't look like much at all, but one of the things that I like about this place is very convenient. I mean, they have a supermarket around, they have groceries around, they have the saloon around, so you can get a lot done here. This house shares an amazing view through the balcony. This house feels different from the rest. It's smaller but well designed. And the sitting room, well, the sitting room gives you a sense of style and luxury. I like the matte black wall and how these house plants contrast off of it. The overall feeling in the bedroom is light and cozy, with the bed being the center of attention. My biggest highlight is this working desk setup with a horizontal mirror that balances it out. You can use this space to read a book, work on your laptop, attend Zoom meetings, you name it. The place itself is very good for its price. The price is $110 a night and it's very friendly. Personally, I like it so much. So guys, what do you think about the listings? Please comment down below, and if you'd love to check out any of the houses that you've seen in the video today, follow the link in the description. It will take you to the official Tubayo website. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to catch me next time with more awesome content like this. All you have to do is just hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, please. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.